People will tell you Disney's Beach Club is the best deluxe resort on property. But is it really worth the price? Today we're touring every corner of Disney's Beach Club Resort: the rooms, the food, the location, and the famous Stormalong Bay, so you can decide if this fan favorite is actually perfect for your vacation, or if there's a catch no one talks about.
I'm Lee
And Lee,
with
with
All
all about
About
the
the Dump.
dump.
And today we're giving you a full, honest tour of Disney's Beach Club Resort. This is one of the most talked about deluxe resorts at Walt Disney World, and for a good reason. But it's not perfect for everyone. We're going to show you what makes this resort popular and also point out a few things you'll want to know ahead of time. None of these things are deal breakers for most people, but they can matter depending on how you vacation.
The moment you step into Disney's Beach Club Resort, you're transported to relaxed New England seaside escape. The lobby is bright and airy, with soft blue and white colors, seashell chandeliers, and plenty of comfortable seating that instantly puts you in a vacation mode. The theming strikes a great balance between elegant and casual. It feels upscale without ever being formal. Compared to the yacht club next door, the beach club feels lighter, warmer, and more family friendly, like a luxurious coastal cottage. One thing to keep in mind, though, is that the popularity comes with a higher price tag. Beach Club is often one of the more expensive deluxe resorts, especially during peak seasons and Epcot's festival times. For many guests, the location and amenities justify it, but it's definitely something to consider if budget is a major factor. Also worth noting, parts of the resort are undergoing exterior refurbishment throughout 2026. Most of the work happens during the day, but you may see scaffolding or hear construction noises in some area.
The guest rooms continue the calm coastal theme with soft blues and greens that feel relaxing after a long park day. Standard rooms are about 380 square feet, which is spacious by Disney standards. Most rooms feature two queen beds, with many also offering a day bed or sofa sleeper, allowing accommodations for up to 5 adults. King bedrooms are also available as well. You'll find all the expected deluxe resort amenities: flat screen TV, free Wi Fi, Keurig coffee maker, beverage cooler, in room safe, ironing board, and lots of outlets and USB ports. One of the small downside to be aware of is storage. There's no underbed storage here, which can make unpacking feel a little tighter for longer stays or larger families. That said, there's a good amount of drawers and closet space, and for most guests, it's more of a minor inconvenience than a real issue. Bathrooms are a big plus, with double sinks separated from the shower and toilet areas, perfect for families getting ready at the same time. Many rooms also include balcony or patio with garden, pool, or crescent lake views.
Now let's talk about the main reason many guests book this resort: Stormalong Bay. This 3-acre pool complex is often called the best pool at Walt Disney World, and it earns that reputation with a sand bottom pool, zero entry shoreline, lazy river style current, whirlpool, spas, and a 230-foot water slide that starts from a shipwreck. It feels more like a mini water park than a hotel pool. That said, because it's so popular, Stormalong Bay can get crowded during peak travel seasons and midday hours. If you're looking for a quieter experience, early mornings or evenings tend to be the best times. For most guests, the quality of the pool still far outweighs the crowds.
Dining is another strong point at Disney's Beach Club Resort, with options for everything from quick snacks to a full sit down meal. Cape May Cafe offers two very different experiences. In the morning, Minnie's Beach Bash Breakfast is a character dining buffet featuring Minnie and friends in beachwear. At night, the restaurant transforms into a seafood focused dinner buffet, best known for its peel and eat shrimp and classic New England flavors. Beaches and Cream Soda Shop is one of the most popular dining spots on Disney property. This retro style diner serves burger, sandwiches, and milkshakes, but it's most famous for the kitchen sink sundae. 8 scoops of ice cream topped with just about everything. One thing to plan for, Beaches and Cream can have long waits during peak times if you don't have a reservation. It's incredibly popular, so a little advanced planning goes a long way. Quick service options are available at the Beach Club Marketplace, and Martha Vineyards Lounge offers a quieter place to grab a quick drink. While breakfast options are more limited compared to some deluxe resorts, you're just steps away from Epcot and the boardwalk if you want more variety. A quick planning note, some dining locations at neighboring Yacht Club have refurbishments scheduled in 2026, but there are still plenty of dining options available throughout the Epcot resort area.
One of the biggest advantages of staying at Disney's Beach Club Resort is its location. You're just 5 to 10 minutes walk from Epcot's International Gateway entrance, placing you directly into the World Showcase between the UK and France pavilions. From Crescent Lake, Friendship Boats offer scenic transportation to Disney's Hollywood studios, and there's also a walking path if you prefer. The Disney Skyliner station is a short walk away, providing another convenient way to reach Hollywood studios and other resorts, though it does close briefly for annual maintenance in late January. Bus transportation is available to Magic Kingdom and Animal Kingdom, with the bus stop located near the resort entrance. Guests also within walking distance of Disney's Boardwalk, offering additional dining and entertainment options.
Beyond Stormalong Bay, the Beach Club offers several quieter leisure pools, including Dunes Cove Pool at the villas and access to the Admiral Pool at the Yacht Club. One leisure pool is closed for routine maintenance through early May of 2026. Guests can use the Ship Shape Health Club, rent mini power boats from Bayside Marina, or book fishing excursions on Crescent Lake. The resort also offers arcades, bike rentals, and convenient shopping at the Beach Club Marketplace.
So, who should stay at Disney's Beach Club Resort? This is an incredible choice for families, especially those with kids who love pool time. Stormalong Bay alone can feel like a vacation within your vacation, and the walk to Epcot makes park days incredibly convenient. It's also a fantastic resort for adults traveling without kids. The elegant coastal theme, Crescent Lake views, and easy access to Epcot's World Showcase make it a relaxing and romantic option. Yes, it's expensive. Yes, the pool can get crowded. And no, it's not perfect for every travel style. But for most guests, these aren't deal breakers. They're simply trade offs for one of the most desirable locations and amenities at Walt Disney World. If you enjoyed this ultimate tour, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe for more Disney content, and let us know in the comments, have you stayed at the Beach Club? And what do you think? Totally worth it or not for you? And as always, see
See
you
you
real
real soon.
soon.